Hey you guys, I am just getting home. I had to come in here and get the camera so I can show you guys. Look, I went to Walmart. My husband told me it's been at least almost 2 years. When we were out of town, he learned that Walmart does headlight restoration. And I've been needing it done for quite some time, and I'm sorry I did not get before footage. I do have some pictures before that the technician at Walmart took before he restored my headlights, so I'm going to insert those pictures. But anywho, just decided at last minute, let me check on the price, let me see if they have time to do it. How about y'all? They restored my headlights. Check this out. Y'all, look at this right here. Look, look, look. Would you guys look at this? Oh my goodness. Walmart did a fantastic job. My headlights looked terrible, but they look great. So I just wanted to share with you guys, y'all, they charged $25. Now the sign said it was advertised as $29.88, but then when they rang me out, I said, was it a special or something? So he said that there was another customer there. When he rang them up, it came up 25. I don't know if it's a special, I don't know, but in comparison to the dealership, which was going to charge at least $50, y'all, let me tell you something. Y'all better go to Wally World. Don't be sleeping on Wally World. It looks wonderful. Now I just need to get the inside detailed, get the outside detailed, but hey, I just wanted to share because this is great. Now look, and even the technician that did mine, $25 now, he gonna fix his mouth to say, but if I come to you, I'm gonna charge at least $40. Who gonna do that? You ain't coming to me. Now we need our son's done. May or may not get his done. He needs to save his money and get his own done, but we'll see. But if he does, we're going right back to the Walmart. Ain't nobody gonna pay you $40 to come in and do that when I can go right around the corner and get it done for $25. So anywho, I just wanted to share with you guys. So y'all go ahead, get them old dirty, dusty headlights done so you can see at night when it's dark. Cause them headlights, I tell you, mine was cloudy. They were real cloudy. So go on to Walmart, go on to Wally World, get that hook up so you can be driving and see where you going at night. Bye, y'all.